I've been looking for a remote assistant for probably a year now, but I was told that my personality wouldn't really line up with somebody from the Philippines. So whenever I saw somebody from Latin America potentially, that was a big win for me for what I was looking for. The people that were geared more towards the executive assistant were more in my vantage point of what I was looking for. But all three candidates that I was provided at the time, they all would have worked. But I found that the person that had been an executive assistant and had more experience in that realm fit more of what I thought I could work with. So it was a few bucks more, but that money was actually worth it so far. She's been wonderful. Worked out. We had a conversation with her and Abraham, and everything's been good so far. In all honesty, better than half of my employees that live in the United States. Our rule is if somebody makes me happy in the company, they make anybody happy. I have some high
100%.
expectations.
Would you recommend remote leverage to a friend or someone who's looking to hire?
Absolutely. I've actually already referred you to two people.